we had a talk. I told him, you jumped on a grenade for your boys.
It was absolutely the right call. It absolutely prevented more of these memorials. I was at the reunion this year, and I've got a daughter. If those men had been successful based upon getting that intel, she's not here. And that just makes me angry all over again. I'm really glad she's here. I'm glad I'm here. Everything done was not because of ego, it wasn't because of pride or this. It was out of desperation to prevent more American deaths. Period.
And so in many ways he became, unfortunately, what I would say a sacrificial lamb in this case, jumping on the grenade on this one, but for the sole benefit that everybody that hears the story will realize that what are you left to do when you have no other choice?
He's taken on a lot of weight for the past almost 18 years now. He's carried this weight. Everybody else has just kind of moved on. And, what he did was morally straight, and it was intelligent, and it was effective. He shared in the suffering along with the guys. He understood what everything looked like out on the ground. When he wasn't on the ground, he was on the other end of the communications. He understood what it looked like out there from experience and was able to provide us what we needed. I think the whole climate of the company and the reason why we were even able to be successful at all, especially being in a large area spread out, was basically the command climate and the trust that we had from our commander.
It started at the top with Captain Hill, and it fed down into the platoons, even the lower levels, of how we carried ourselves, how we act. And that's just the type of man that he is.
To me, Captain Roger Hill is kind of like a father figure. I didn't grow up knowing my father. He treated you like a human being, but also a soldier. He would give you or do anything for you in his powers. All that you requested back was respect, do your job, and he'll take care of you.
He was a father figure to the entire company. He just demands respect. He demands your all. And the type of person he is, you want to give him that.
His character, to make the hard right over the easy wrong, puts him a step above many.
He put himself on the line to save his men, and he knew it, and he did it anyway.
That's agape love. That's as Christ-like as you're going to get on a battlefield.
Captain Roger Hill is one of the greatest men I've ever met. He's an exceptional leader, cared about everybody that was under him, and protected them to his own life. You never had to second guess where his priorities were.
As far as leadership goes, there's none better.
He is a good man, religious man, family man. I don't think I've had a better commander than Captain Hill.
In my opinion, I would say he's the most honorable man I've ever met in my life.
I love him.
His guys are his mission. I love him. I love him.